How to find groups you have searched for on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a history of groups you have ever searched for on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there to get to this page. Once you are here, click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Now all you need to do is scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now click on see your time on Facebook and click on the last option, which is see activity log. Now all you need to do, you have this list, scroll over until you find a groups searched. And here you're gonna find all the groups you have ever searched for on your Facebook app. You can just click on trash and delete all of this, or just click on archive. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.